of all, I want you to put your elbow against your body. This is one of our first bracing techniques, so it's going to come like this against the body. I'm going to just place my hand here on the anterior shoulder and neck. Now I'm going to just swing in and get low, and it's a counter force going back and forth, pushing on the thorax and kind of pulling back on the. You can get low if you want to get low with a forearm. This is helping a couple of things. Well, first we're springing the thoracic spine and seeing what kind of spring it has. You know, are they hyperkyphotic and do they have no movement through there? If so, you want to try to get as much movement as possible through there. Or are they flat spine, in which case you don't want to put a lot of spring in there. You don't need to.